solve 2 to the power x logarithm equals 37. So first of all, to write this first formula, then now you write therefore 2 to the power x, which is equals to 37 over log x log 2 equals log 37. You finish writing like this. Now you start dividing both sides by log 2. So now you underline here, you write log 2 over log 2. From there now, these are the same thing, so you have to cancel them. Then you remain with the x equals log 37 over log 2. Now, when you reach at this stage now, you have to on your calculator. You have to on your calculator, whereby you start now entering. You said you go to where there is log, so that it may be very easy for you. Log 37, you divide by log 2. Then now you equate them. The answer is 5.209. So you have to write x equals 5.2, since 095. You have to round this one. You have to round it off. 5.2. Here it's 1. You have answered. I have so many equations. From there we go to equation 2. Equation 2, whereby you choose this one 6. You choose this one 12.4. 4 minus 3x equals 1.03. 6x plus 2. 12.4 to the power 4 minus 3x equals 1.03 to the power 6x plus 2. Now, you reach here, you do apply the same method. So that you may get the correct answer. You have to apply the same method so that you get the correct answer. From there now, you begin. Since you write here 4 minus 3x, then you start solving this equation. Then you put them inside the bracket. Then you put equals here, whereby 1.03. Then you close them 6x plus 2. So this is the equation that you are going to solve. 12.4 close bracket 4 minus 3x equals 1.03 close bracket 6x plus 2. You are told to solve the equation. So now you are going to begin. How to solve this equation. It's very simple, whereby it's very simple. So you begin now. This 12.4, it will be the number of log, which will be at the end when you write these two numbers. Let me put in writing. 4 minus 3 x log 12.4, which is equals this thing. You put them inside the bracket so that you may not confuse yourself. You begin again, the same thing that you did this side. The same thing you're going to apply to the right hand side. 6x plus 2 log 1.03. You put again inside the bracket. Now, when you just finishing writing this or cutting this into these brackets, now you start calculating or picking the the same thing or the same common thing or the like terms, you begin. This negative 3x, it will remain here. Negative 3x log 12.4. Even to the right hand side there is x. When this 6x, it is in positive form. When it jumps this or jumps this, the equal sign, it will change into the negative. So it will be negative 6 logarithm 1.03. You put them inside the bracket. You separate these things from other. Now you start also picking the remaining thing. This is it. Here you put equals. This is 4. 4, it is to the right hand side. When it jumps or crosses the equal sign, it will change into the negative. It will be negative 4 log this one 12.4. The moment you last write 12.4, then you come to the right hand side. The remaining thing here is 2. Since 2 is in positive, so it will remain being in positive because you are writing this to the right hand side. 2 log 1.03. You also put them into the what? Brackets. The moment you just quote these things into the brackets, now you start working out to this side. Negative 3x log 12.4 minus 6 log 1.03. Now you get your calculator and you start calculating. You get your calculator and you start calculating, whereby you begin negative 3 log 12.4 negative 3 log 12.4 minus 6 log 1.03. Then you enter it. The answer it will give you is negative 3.35 x. See, just last light 6. Just light 6. Then you put equals. You also go to the right hand side. Negative 4 logarithm 12.4 plus 2 logarithm 1.03. The answer it will give you is negative 4.3448. Then when you just read at this stage now, this is negative 3.36x equals negative 4.348. Now we want to solve the value of x or to remain with x. So now if you are told to get rid of this number, just remain with x, you have to divide to both sides by the same number. So I have put underline here. I'll write this number negative 3.36 over negative 3.36. Then here I'll equate this one. I'll cancel. Then I'll just remain with single x. I'll write equals. This negative and negative, they are going to go. You cancel them. This one it will remain in positive. So you write 4.348 divide 3.36. The answer is 1.2. The answer is 1.29. That's the answer you have answered. That's the answer you have answered. So by solving these equations, first of all you have to rewrite them. For negative 3x, then you write log 12. You also put equals. Again you write 6 plus 2a plus 2 log 1.03. From there now you calculate here, you choose the right terms. The moment just write the right terms, select the right terms, like I did here, negative 3x log 12.4, negative 6 log 1.03 equals 4, equals here the remaining thing is here is 4 and here is 2. So now just get this one first, then it crosses the equal sign, it is in positive form, it will change into the negative. So it will be negative 4 log 12.4 plus these 2 which is remaining 2 log 1.03. Then you calculate, you take your calculator, you calculate, then you'll find the answer. This one 3.36x, negative 3.36x. Then you, even this side you have calculated, the answer is negative 4.348. Then here now you have to remain with this single x, so you have to divide this side with the same number, even this side with the same number. Then you cancel this because it's same to give you 1. Then it will be x equals 4 with x equals, then this one when it goes into this one, it will give you 1.29. You have answered. Now we go to another example. Write question 3 here. Question 3 here, 1.07x equals 3. So now we are told to calculate this form of the equation, the logarithm equation. It's very simple. You have first to write x log 1.07 equals this 3, it will be log 3. From there now you want to remain with this one so that you can find the value of x. So it will write here a line and here a line, and you write log 1.07 over log 1.07 both sides. This side you cancel, you have remained with letter x. You write equals, then now you get your calculator and start calculating. Log 3 over log 1.07. From there now you will enter it. The answer it will give you is 16.23. You have answered. It's very simple. It's very simple. Very simple. Another one, I have another example. Which is this one. This will be example 4. Don't consider this now. Let's consider this one. I'm writing down here 6.13x. Then I'll put a bracket equals 72.5. You are told to calculate this one. It's very simple. You have to apply the same formula. Again, it will be x log 6.313 equals log 72.5. Then here now you have to remain with this one single. Then you have to put a line down. Then you write log 6.13 over log 6.13. Here you cancel so that you remain with letter x only, because you are looking for the value of x. And now you get your calculator, you start calculating and you write log 72.5 or divide by log 6.13. The answer is 2.3. The answer is 2.36. You have answered. I'll leave you with one question. So on your own, you can do this one so that when I come the next time, that we can just resolve this equation together. This one, it will be your equation. Solve it when you have on your free time. Solve this equation on your free time. It's 125x equals 48. You open the bracket, here it will be 5x. Yes, solve this equation. Thank you for watching.